Hello. So today on this episode of What Plant Is That, Paul, I'm going to talk about Moria kawingi, also known as the curry tree. Our example is about 10 years old. Huge shout out to Beth. She gave it to us a long time ago and I didn't really know what it was until recently. So this tree is native to India. They say it's hardy to zone 10, 35 degrees, but I would say hardy to 25 degrees, no problem. It's a relative of, it's in the citrus family, so it's related to citrus trees. And this is actually a culinary's dream. So this plant, they use the leaves in green curry and like all the legit curry restaurants. So they'll either chop it up and put it on as kind of a garnish, or they'll fry it up in an oil and use that as a base or seasoning. So this is in green curries, and it's really amazing. I didn't know it was edible, to be honest with you, so here's the first shot. Let's see what it tastes like. Spicy, definitely tastes like curry, green curry, and yeah, it's kind of tastes like I taste some kind of orange leaf in there too, like an orange tree leaf. So yeah, I did not know this was edible. It makes beautiful white flowers here. You can see them just starting to bloom here. And they're really beautiful and kind of delicate. And then they'll turn into kind of, they almost look like coffee beans, like red seeds with a fruit. And then they'll turn black. And now I know that I can peel off the black flesh, and the seed is really easy to sprout. So I'm gonna grow a ton of these after this bloom cycle's done. I did not know I could do that. I was told by a friend that these seeds are toxic, so I stayed away from this plant, and boy was I wrong. So yeah, I learned a lot about this plant, and now I realize that this is actually hard to get in Southern California because it is a relative of the citrus family, so they're worried about, that it has all those restrictions on citrus fruit. But man, this has no pests, nothing observed. And again, you just grab the leaves, squeeze them, it smells like curry. You could even brush against it. This is an amazing plant. So really popular in India. I mean, I would assume that people have it, probably like in their yard, and they just grab it for to cook with. Oh man, it's beautiful. So give us a like and a subscribe. We'll keep more videos coming, and when the seeds turn black and I try to propagate them or sprout them, I'll do an update. So the curry tree, super rad. Yeah, I mean, full of antioxidants. Look into it a bit and you can realize why this is such an important food plant, something that people consume, and I'm gonna start eating it. So we'll see how it goes, cooking with it, eating it. You can even eat the seeds. I heard they're not very tasty, but there you go. All right, so the curry tree is super cool. Expect an update on this when the seeds turn black. All right, have a great day. Bam. Dude, it's creepy.